Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is MeetGeek. So to get started, MeetGeek in 2025 is like having a smart assistant join all your meetings. It automatically records your Zoom, Teams, or your Google Meet calls, write down everything said with an impressive accuracy, and highlight the important part like decision, action time items. The AI can even tell who is speaking and create a ready to share summary. You can also send to your teams through your Slack or emails. So while you get a 5 free hours of transcription each month, every users will need a paid plan. It works in over 20 language and help you find hold meetings details quickly with its smart search. The tools really shines with its newest 2025 features, including an AI coach that analyzes how effective your meetings are and suggests improvement. It can automatically create a follow-up task in like a asana based on what was discussed. While it might occasionally miss names in some fast conversation, it doesn't connect with all your business software. MeetGeek save most teams hours of work by handling all the notes taking and organization automatically. It's perfect for remote teams, managers, anyone who need or wants to take their meetings more productive without extra effort. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform. Thanks.